In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that uses two simple moving averages and trailing stops. Let's see how we can do that. We start by opening Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. The code begins with including the CTrade class from the standard library, which provides simplified trading methods like PositionOpen and PositionModify. We instantiate a CTrade object with default parameters to manage all trade operations, including position management. Next, we define the strategy configuration parameters. These include the periods for fast and slow SMA calculations, the historical range for highs and lows, the minimum age for a valid high or low, and the safety margin for the trailing stop, all of which are adjustable in the EA properties. We then declare global variables and handles to store state between ticks and indicator data. This includes handles and buffers for the fast and slow SMAs and an array for OHLC price data using MqlRates. The expert initialization function is executed once at the start of the EA for indicator setup. It creates handles for both SMAs using the IMA function, which calculates the simple moving averages for the specified periods. The arrays for SMA values and price data are configured as time series. The position opening functions are defined to execute market orders with a specified lot size. The open by position function retrieves the current ask price for precise order execution and uses the trade's position open method to execute a buy order. The parameters include the financial instrument, direction, long position, position size of 0.10 lots, 10 micro lots, entry price at the current ask, and a position comment. The stop loss and take profit are initially set to 0, meaning they are disabled. The open sell position function works similarly, using the bid price and executing a sell order. The main price update function is executed on every tick and contains the core strategy logic. It retrieves historical price data and loads both SMA values. It checks the position status to determine if there are any open positions and their type. The function then detects crossovers and manages positions accordingly. If the fast SMA crosses above the slow SMA and there are no open positions, a buy position is opened. Conversely, if the fast SMA crosses below the slow SMA, a sell position is opened. For existing positions, the function manages trailing stops. For buy positions, it identifies the lowest low in the lookback period and calculates a new stop level based on the trailing offset. The low point must be at least min candles back old, and the current price must be above the identified low for the trailing stop to be processed. Similarly, for sell positions, the highest high is identified, and a new stop level is calculated and processed if conditions are met, ensuring the high is at least min candles back old and the current price is below the identified high. The combined trailing stop management function updates the stop loss for both buy and sell positions. It iterates through all open positions, selects them via ticket number, and applies filters to ensure the position matches the specified type and belongs to the current chart symbol. The stop loss is updated based on the position type and conditions, ensuring that for buy positions, the new stop level is higher than the current stop or there is no existing stop loss. For sell positions, the new stop level must be lower than the current stop or there is no existing stop loss. At the end, we press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If everything works, we go back to Metaeditor by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester, pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should then see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. We have learned how to create an expert advisor that uses two simple moving averages and trailing stops with a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.